Well, it's time for me to taste the Bowl of Dreams Ramen ya Miyuki, which is miso. Is that correct? Miso. No. Shoyu ramen pala. Well, itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. I don't know if that's correct pronunciation. Excuse me. Sabay sa subang. Hindi.